Hello. Hello. Right, while he's doing that, I'll just want to say a quick thank you to the Brick Topper. He was kind enough to donate 5 Relentless from our last video, from the link in the description. So thank you very much for that. Really appreciate it. And yeah, we'll get this thing sorted. Right, so this is our little mini R50. We've had this for 3 years now. This is what actually started us off on driving on track, and then obviously led to racing. There's videos of it way back in the channel, doing a few track days and that. So anyway, Emma's going to do a navigational rally in this next week with one of the local motor clubs. It's actually quite a cheap and easy way to get into motorsport, because you can just do it with a normal road going car like this, and it's not like a race or anything. It's all, you know, timed and checkpoints and stuff like that. So we've got a few things to do to this today, because it basically just sits all the time now. So I think the front calipers have seized and they don't look too pretty anyway, so I've got a different set of calipers over there. I'm going to put a different set of pads on it as well. And also, because the navigational rally is done at night, I'm going to fit some spotlights. It also needs a new radiator, which I will do. I don't know if you'll see that in this video, because I need to go and collect it from the shed. And yeah, hopefully I can film that in time to put it in this video. But if not, just know it gets a new radiator, and also just a quick service as well it needs. So I'm going to get on and do let's do the lights first. That'll be the fun bit. Right, it's the brackets fitted for the spotlights. Pretty easy, just 2 holes in the bottom lip of the bonnet there. You can put another one up here as well, which I might do later on, but they're pretty solid as they are, to be honest. Yeah, if you get a set with these brackets, they do fit really nicely. They're like nicely curved to like meet all the body lengths. Look at the stay of that, look at that camera lens. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. Yeah, so you can see it does fit really nicely. So let's have a go at putting a spotlight on. There we go, look at that. But obviously you can't just have 2. You've got to have 4. How rally spec does that look? Really quite happy with that. Proper like old, like mini Monte Carlo kind of rally vibes. Yeah, really happy with that. Right, onto the brakes. then, radiator time. I've got another radiator there. It looks a bit scabby, but it holds water compared to this one. So yeah, I'll get this out. Go, new radiators in. So this radiator is from another Cooper, but it came out of a car which had aircon, so I had to change. The only difference is like the bottom hose. So this is the one on the car without aircon, so basically it just comes from the water pump, which sits about there, down to the end tank. But if you've got a Cooper with aircon, your aircon compressor sits here, so the pipe actually comes, routes down and goes to this side of the tank. So I think this is basically a Cooper S radiator. It's certainly the same size as a Cooper S radiator, and the one that came off, it's actually a bit smaller, like girth wise, and I think that way as well. It's a bit smaller. It certainly never went all the way to the end, because if you see, I think this end tank comes a bit further over, and yeah, also the fan didn't quite fit properly, but it's in there, it's fine, it'll do. So yeah, it's all plumbed up. I'll get the front end and everything back on, get it bled up, and hopefully that'll be good. So yeah, we've done the spotlights, haven't wired them in yet. The wire is sitting inside on the kitchen table. I'll get that sorted. I need to figure out how to do it, but I think I'm basically just going to have, so you wire it straight into the battery, and I'll have it coming up here. I'll probably have the relays hanging off of here, I would think. And then I need to tap into this wiring, find out which one is the switch for the high beam, and splice it to that, and then go into these. Don't worry, the brackets aren't held on by just cable ties, they are bolted in as well. It's just with these ones having been slightly higher up, I didn't really want to drill into the grill, so the cable tied up there on the grill, but then bolted into the bonnet there. Anyway, so yeah, spotlights, radiator, and fancy discs and refresh calipers. So pretty happy with the work. Hopefully it does her well on the Navigational rally next week. And yeah, yeah, that'll be it for this one. I might clean up those wheels as well. But yeah, that's it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks again to the Brick Topper to buy me a coffee, and yeah, we'll see you next time.